Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record a swim in Strava. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your phone. Once the app loads up and you can see your main feed, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice several navigation icons down there, and you want to look for the one that says record. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the section where you can start tracking any of your workouts, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or other activities. After tapping record, you'll be taken to the tracking screen where you can start logging your activity. But before you hit that play button, you need to tell Strava exactly what type of workout you're about to do. Look at the left side of the play button in the center of your screen. You'll see a small circle icon there. Tap on that circle and it will open up a list of different sports and activities you can choose from. This step is important because it ensures Strava tracks your workout with the right metrics and categorizes it properly in your activity history. Once the activity menu appears, scroll through the list until you find swim. You might see options like pool swim or open water swim depending on your version of the app, so choose the one that matches what you're about to do. Tap on swim to select it. Now Strava knows you're about to record a swimming session and it will adjust the tracking features accordingly, like counting laps or measuring distance in the water. With swim selected, you're all set to begin. Now you can tap the play button right in the center of the screen to start recording your swim. Once you hit play, Strava will begin tracking your time, distance, and other swim-specific data. Make sure your phone is secure and waterproof if you're taking it into the pool or open water, or leave it safely on the side if that's more practical for your setup. When you're finished with your swim, tap the pause button. This will stop the recording temporarily and give you a moment to review your session before saving it. It's a good practice to pause first rather than ending immediately, just in case you want to check the details or add any notes. After pausing, tap Finish. This will complete the recording and save your swim session to your Strava profile. You'll be able to see all your stats, review your performance, and share it with your followers if you want. And that's it, you've successfully recorded a swim in Strava and saved it to your activity log. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.